All right, Alden, so I happen to have some evening plans tonight that may or may not be outside. Am I in trouble?
I think
so you're not mowing the grass.
No, these are fun plans, Doug. Come on.
I think you'll mostly be okay, but we are starting to see a few more storms start to pop up, and they're relatively isolated too, and nothing is severe either, which is the good news. So we'll go ahead and start with radar. You can see that strongest storm is up there near Madison, where they've been seeing quite a bit of rain now over the last couple of hours. Putting this into motion, a loop, these storms are moving somewhat slowly. We have one area of new showers and downpours moving into Breckinridge County soon near Hardinsburg, and also seeing one little cell here in parts of Bullitt County near Mount Washington. But this is the heaviest one that we have in Jefferson County, Indiana. Training thunderstorms have resulted in a good amount of rainfall there. So Hanover, you're seeing some of that heavy rain moving into your doorstep right now. It's been in Caruthersville, but exiting and about to enter into Madison. Otherwise, Mount Washington, there's a downpour parked right on top of you folks, but that's going to be moving eastward as well along State Highway 44 there into parts of Spencer County. But again, none of this activity is severe, which is always the good news. And there is technically a watch out to our east, but that does not include Metro Louisville or really most of our area. Other big story is the heat and humidity. 91 currently, feeling like 97. Winds out the west at about 10 miles per hour. And you can see those puffy cumulus clouds out there as they want to try to develop into something a little bit taller and stronger. Our heat index values are also near triple digits at the moment. We're going to see very similar conditions tomorrow. The exception is that I don't expect us to see any rainfall. That would help just a little bit. You can see where it has been raining because there's really no heat index up there. Futurecast will show us through the rest of this evening. We'll still have some of those spotty showers and storms develop. They might grow a little bit more into a slightly larger area, but after sunset, they're going to lose a lot of their strength. Going to be very muggy for us tonight. Temperatures probably much warmer than this here in the metro because of that urban heat island. And tomorrow afternoon, anywhere that sees sunshine is going to be much hotter. Our winds will be fairly light as well, so there won't be too much of a breeze to help bring even some temporary relief. But middle 90s likely here in the metro, lower 90s elsewhere where you have sunshine, upper 80s where you might have a little bit of a cloud cover. Heading into Saturday, though, is when we have our next best chance of rainfall. This could be a little bit more widespread, but still not expecting any severe weather, and heavy rainfall, while possible, should not cause any flooding concerns for us either. This is Saturday morning at 7:30. Most of this rain will fall in the first half of the day, and by the afternoon, we'll already start to see that pushing out of here. Skies will slowly clear, and our temperatures will rise at 2. Look at some of these numbers at 2 p.m. Only in the 70s, lower 80s where you have the cloud cover, and after those clouds clear out of here, likely only finding ourselves in the middle 80s for those afternoon highs on Saturday. So it's going to be probably the coolest day of the upcoming week. Here's our hometown forecast. Low 90s across the board, hot and humid, but feeling close to the triple digits, if not actually touching a triple digit heat index like some areas did today. 7-day forecast, 86 on Saturday, the cool day, 70% chance of those storms. Then we're going to be hovering near 90 degrees there on out, maybe a little bit milder on a Tuesday. Next rain chances will be through most of next week, kind of just that weather pattern where you have those daily opportunities for those downpours in your neighborhood. Monday and Wednesday likely being the best opportunities to see some more organized and widely scattered activity.